Hey guys, it's your girl Lakia Maria and welcome to another video here on the channel. Whether you're new to the channel or an OG, I share planning and organizational videos, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a different style of journaling that I am going to be doing. I have this new notebook that I'm using as a planner. It is from Ali Reyes. You can find her on Instagram at Philo Planner. It is literally just a grid notebook. It is standard size, so in comparison to a week's, it is a little bit wider. So the notebook options that she has available are the standard, then there's the week's, then there's a B6, and I believe an A6, but I'll have everything linked down below so you guys can check it out for yourselves. So I went ahead and started decorating the inside of the cover. I absolutely love this. Hope it's all in focus for you guys. There we go. So these are Goldmine and Cocoa dolls. I believe this one is a Capital Chic doll, and I don't remember where these stickers are from. And then the splashes are Happy Planner stickers. And then what I did over here was I just created an August cover page. This is another Goldmine and Cocoa doll. I took a Target receipt. And then I just put a Hello August sticker, and then I started doing my to-dos as far as lists and things that I have made in here so far. I have crafty projects, custom apparel, this Beyonce page. These stickers are from Sheena Meets City. You can find her on Etsy. I'll put her information down below. Amazing artist. I got these either 2020 or 2020. No, these were definitely 2020 when Beyonce dropped the that King album, the Lion King album. That's that. Then I did some journaling here for a card my aunt gave me, TikTok stuff I want to film, and so on and so forth. So back over here on the weekend page from last weekend, I found these stickers. As I'm literally selling my stickers, but I went and bought more stickers. These were $1. They were $1. So I found these stickers in the Target Michaels bin. They are Maggie Holmes, and I'm going to journal what happened last Sunday really quickly. So I'm just going to pop a car down here, and I have my washi tape that kind of looks like a road. So let me go ahead and pull that out. So here it is. It's not exactly a road, but it looks like a road. So let's go ahead and do that really quick. So I'm going to take this. And the journaling that I'm doing now is just a matter of highlighting what we did. Not necessarily going into like super detail because I don't care about all that. And then I'm going to put you plus me up at the top. And then I'm going to go ahead and take some florals. I'm literally just pulling all from this page. And I'm just going to pop that over there. I don't know if I like this one, if I'm being honest. All right, where's the other one? So I'm going to put offline and unplug. And I'm going to take this one off and put it back where it was. And then I also have these plethora of stickers that I got. And I'm going to use these. I went to the casino for the first time. Being a Jersey girl, you think I would have gone to Atlantic City. I have not. So we went to another casino. We were in the city and we went to a casino. So Atlantic City is still on the list. So So I'm actually gonna move these and then put casino over here. Okay, let me start with the O. Let's see. O, C-A-S-I. So we have the N. All right, so I'm gonna have to move this. So we're just moving things around. And these are, I don't even know what stickers these are. I could have put lowercase, but that's all right. C-A-S. I just need to grab an A. And I might do like even a tip-in or something. So yeah. So it still worked. So I'm gonna go back in and move the A. And then just pop that down like that. Of course, when I'm filming, construction is being done in my house. It's like never ending. All right, so casino. What do y'all think? I don't like it. So we're gonna take that off and just put the casino, and then I'll pop the flowers somewhere else. And maybe I can put like the flowers here and then put the U plus me. And then I'm just gonna put offline, unplug down here. And then I'm just gonna write my little blurb of what we did for the day, and then that'll be it.